In a far-off kingdom, nestled between the rolling hills and the shimmering sea, there lived 3 sisters named Spinnetta, Flossie, and Lacey. They were known as the 3 spinners, legendary weavers who spun the dreams of the townsfolk into reality. One day, the people of the kingdom were struck by a strange malady. Their dreams became filled with fear and despair, and the once colorful and vibrant town began to lose its luster. The 3 spinners, troubled by the plight of their people, decided to use their magical abilities to help. Spinnetta, the eldest, began to weave dreams of hope and courage, filling the town with a renewed sense of optimism. Flossie, the middle sister, wove dreams of unity and friendship, mending the broken bonds between the townsfolk. Lacey, the youngest, spun dreams of peace and tranquility, calming the restless hearts and minds of the kingdom. As the sisters worked tirelessly, the town began to transform. The once fearful dreams were replaced with dreams of happiness, love, and prosperity. The people woke up each morning with a smile on their faces, their hearts full of joy and their minds free of worry. The 3 spinners continued their work, weaving dreams for the kingdom day and night. Their work was not easy, but they knew that the happiness and well-being of their people were at stake. One day, as the sisters walked through the town, they overheard a young girl named Mabel whispering to her friends. "I've been having the most beautiful dreams lately," she said. "They're filled with laughter and love. I never thought I'd feel this happy again." The 3 spinners exchanged a knowing glance. They had done their job well. The people were finally starting to heal, and the kingdom was once again a place of happiness and prosperity. The story of the 3 spinners spread far and wide, inspiring other towns and kingdoms to follow their example. The power of dreams, they realized, was not just a tool for weaving, but a source of hope and healing as well. And so, The three spinners continued their work, weaving dreams for the kingdom and inspiring the people to dream big and live happily ever after. Their legacy lived on, reminding everyone that even the smallest acts of kindness can have the most profound impact.